We're live! So, ayun na nga. Hello! So, nakikita niyo po ang bagay set natin today. We would like to greet everyone ng magandang araw. Kahit ginabi tayo. So, ayun po. Nakikita niyo po ngayon, it's a new set po for our 5th episode of Putikyan, 2nd season. And would like to share with you where are we right now. So, if you could see, I have 3 beautiful ladies with me right now. So, we'll tell you more about what we did today. So basically, ito po is kakaibang podcast because this shoot is being created post-production po yun. Yeah, post-workshop po ito. Compared from the last nating mga episodes na sinushoot natin po itong episode before the workshop as part of somewhat marketing natin or, you know, letting our viewers and listeners where are we gonna go to. So, ayun na nga. So, magpakilala po muna tayo. So, I have with me on my right.
I'm Tata. I'm Sasa.
Yeah, and
I'm Ben.
alright, I'm AM Trajeco and welcome to Putikyan! Yes! Ayos yun ah. Wala sa okay lang. So, ayun. Before we proceed po, since ginanap natin po yung Pottery Caravan natin, 2026, our fourth destination. Fourth destination here at Olongapo. So, I would like to share with you nasan po kami ngayon, saan sa Olongapo, at ano po yung partner establishment natin dito. So, if you can see, from the previous, yung mga previous caravans, stops. Okay, so Central Luzon, we are on at our second stop, which is in Olongapo. Papakilala na natin ngayon kung ano yung, o sino yung ating partnered cafe. So, we are really happy for, you know, the support as well that you've given to the Pottery Caravan 2026 sa ating kabahagi. So, ano ba yung nawawala ako, So, ayun, ang atin pong partner cafe ay Pauline's Cafe here at Olongapo. So, yay! So, we would like to know, siguro, or can you please tell about Pauline's Cafe, maybe brief history, or how did you guys come up with Pauline's Cafe?
Yes. Originally, ang Pauline's ay isang club.
Oh.
No, 1950s club ang Pauline's. So, ang Pauline's sa Olongapo that time ay isa sa pinakamalalaking building sa Olongapo. And after ilang years,
Yes, history ito.
naisipan na magaling kong kapatid. It's your time.
Yes, kaya nung nabakante yung space, naisip namin na magawa ng coffee shop. Tapos, since dito naman nakapwesto yung Pauline's Club dati, naisip din namin ang pangalan ng shop Pauline's. Para dun din sa...
Para same din na
mabuhay ulit ang-
kumbaga, familiarity.
Yes.
Familiar. Isang ginigita. Arte. And then,
And then,
Hindi, kaya meron kami mga photos dito na from dun pa sa dating Pauline's na alam ng mga tao back then. So yun.
Okay, great. Thank you for sharing that. So, ang Pauline's Cafe po is nasa, anong street to? Magsaysay. So, ang tagal kong hindi nakabisita sa Olongapo kasi used to be when I go to beach na malapit dito, dito talaga tayo dumadaan since na-open na yung mas mabilis na way papuntang north. Minsan, di ba, hindi ka na nakakadaan dito. Tapos, I used to have my race near here kasi sa Subic. So, ito yung minsan nadadaanan ko when I do my triathlon. So, ayun. Ang tama ba ako? Kasi ang Olongapo, bakit siya tinawag na Olongapo? Kasi pinag-uusapan namin during the travel. Kasama ko yung ating next destination, which is LU. Kasama ko kasi today na nag-observe how we do the pottery session here. Pinag-uusapan namin, saan ba nanggaling yung Olongapo? Bakit siya Olongapo? Alam nyo?
Sabi sa alamat.
Yeah. Yes.
Ano siya, pinagdugtong na pangalan ng ulo ng apo.
So tama.
Yes.
So yun ang pinag-uusapan namin kanina. So hindi po siya yung Mount Apo. Apo. Kasi may tinigtatawa na kami sa travel kanina. Is it Mount Apo? No, ang layo ng Mount Apo sa Apo. So it's like ninuno, right? Parang ganun.
Parang may
Parang elder, correct?
ayun nga sa alamat. May si Apo, parang elder siya ng isang community, tapos tinaga ba siya? Ano ba tawag sa ganun? Pinugot yung ulo niya. Kaya parang may yung isang presidente ng isang community is nagkano siya na ulo ng apo.
Okay.
Or ulo ni Apo, parang gano'n.
Yeah, kaya siya naging Olongapo.
Sabi. Pero,
Well, nagagaling naman yan dyan usually, di ba? So, ayun, bitch. Sa bitch siya talaga. Kasi, what happened dun sa collaboration natin with Pauline's Cafe, we want to share with them as well on our second segment. Paano kami nagkakilala ni Betch, paano nabuo yung collaboration with Pauline's Cafe together with Pottery Caravan. So later on, we'll share with you kung ano yung story natin, paano rin kami nagkakilala ni Betch, tapos paano rin kami nagkakilala ni Tata at ni Sasa. So ayun, but before we dive deep to that, so we would like to know more about the products, the services, or even maybe the events here in Olongapo, not only yung kinikater ng Pauline's Cafe, para at least mas sabihan natin yung ibang viewers at listeners natin na madaming pwedeng gawin sa Olongapo.
yes.
Right? So, yeah.
Sige. So, ang Pauline's Cafe, ayaw kasi namin nung usual na makapag-serve lang ng coffee. So, yung coffee namin is mix siya ng Arabica and Robusta. So, yun, maraming tasting ang ginawa para makuha talaga namin yung gusto namin na magpalasa sa mga taga-Olongapo at sa mga coffee lovers din na talaga naghahanap ng masarap na kape. And sa Olongapo, hindi lang kami nasa arts like sa painting, sa mga ganyan, sa music din kasi ang
Actually,
Olongapo. Parang
ang daming musician dito na galing.
si Arnel Pineda. Yan sila. Bata pa kasi ako noon. Pero na taga-Olongapo yan. Tapos si Freddy Aguilar.
Yep. Yeah.
Yung mga lolo natin.
Na sometimes yung mga new
Kaya
generations kasi ngayon medyo hindi na sila nakikilala. Pero if you'll go back to our history, very rich po ang
Yes.
OPM natin.
Tapos,
And some of the musicians really came here.
Tapos
Yung
ngayon
talagang
si
mga
Easy
kilala.
Meal, Moira de la Torre, mga
Yeah.
taga-Olongapo yung mga yan.
Yeah,
So, dito, parang ang ano din namin is, i-open din ng Olongapo, hindi lang sa music, kasi parang, alam na po namin yan na nasa music industry din, mahilig sa kantahan ng mga, mga taga-Olongapo. So, ino-open din namin ng Olongapo for other kind of arts naman.
Other form of art.
Yes.
Yep. And start na po to kasi we just had a pottery session dito sa Olongapo. And I'm very much happy. We're actually
Yes.
very much happy with the results.
Yeah.
Di ba? Na nakita namin today. So, so ayun na nga. So ano pa yung mga products and services ng Pauline's Cafe? Masarap yung food nila, by the way.
Yung
Yeah.
kimchi grilled
Oo.
cheese.
Yes.
Yeah. Ano yung best seller niyo dito?
Ano ba seller natin dito?
Yung kimchi grilled cheese.
Kimchi.
Ah.
Actually,
Actually, oo. Pati yung sandwich na
ka na nga,
inilagay.
lahat masarap.
So yun, masarap po yung food and drinks nila. So if you'll be visiting Olongapo, please drop by at Pauline's Cafe. Tapos, I think you also cater yung sa labas, no? Naglalabas kayo ng
mga events.
ng mga
Yes,
events.
Mga weddings. Basta kahit na anong event. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, ayun. Anything else that you'd like to add? Maybe, what we are looking forward for the next few months, maybe that you'll have here at Pauline's Cafe.
We'll be happy sana kung magkakaroon ng mga ibang ganap dito sa cafe.
Mhm.
Like yung mga journaling,
Yeah.
filmmaking,
So,
mga
narinig
ganap,
niyo po
like,
yun,
mga related sa mga ganap.
Arts and craft,
Yes.
or even activities that can build a safe space to create or community space na pwede tayong mag-share ng experiences and knowledge.
Yeah.
Arte! So, ayun. So, thank you for having us here and AM
Thank
team.
you, thank you.
Yeah, sobrang salamat, Pitch.
Thank
At
you.
Tata and Zaza. So, ayun. So, narinig nyo, si Betch po ang may kasalanan. Kasalanan tayo, hindi siya kasalanan. It's really a great way for us to connect to the community, and also through arts and craft, most especially pottery, that we can bind together as well, or we can bond together as well as one. So, ayun. We'll have our first break po muna, then we'll get back to you on our second segment, and we'll talk more about how did we come up with this Pottery Caravan na collaboration with Pauline's Cafe. So, later on po, I'll be talking to Betch about her journey as well as a potter. Yes, potter po. Si Betch. So, okay. So, bye for now. Bye! Alright, we're back! Wow, grabe yung energy. Hindi ka na bababit eh. So, ayun. We're back. So, again, welcome to Putikyan.
Akala ko Pauline's Cafe.
Police. Pwede rin naman.
Putikyan at Pauline's
At
Cafe.
Pauline's Cafe. Okay. So, okay. That's fine. Natin, hindi ko rin kasi sasabihin. Okay. Alright, we're back on our second season, fifth episode of Putikyan. Putikyan. So, good natin. So, anyway, ayun po, ituloy natin yung conversation, Betch.
Okay.
Since tayo na lang. Wow! Magchichikan
Umuwi na
dito.
sila.
Naka-move on na sila. So, ayun. Like what we've said a while ago, paano na po yung collaboration natin to have a pottery session here at Pauline's Cafe as part of the Pottery Caravan 2026. So, I'll share as well yung thoughts ko, tsaka yung proseso, paano nangyari to.
Aha.
Di ba kasi ano siya eh, ganun siya, di ba?
Medyo, yeah.
Oo,
Discussion lang.
Discussion
tapos,
lang. It's actually a tight schedule.
Yeah.
During
Very,
the time. Yep.
I think March lang, no?
Mm-mm.
Discussed this in March. Yeah.
So, ayun. So, paano?
Kasi I'm very interested in pottery. Tapos, si Sasa and Tata are my sisters-in-law. Tapos, so they were telling me about yung vision nga nila for Pauline's Cafe na mag-host siya ng arts and crafts events. Parang community building din siya.
Yes,
in addition
yes,
to
yes.
just being a cafe na nagsiserve ng food and drinks.
Correct.
So, ayun. And then, I saw that you were doing the Pottery Caravan. And then, I saw nga na it was pataas.
Oo,
Central,
pataas.
Central Luzon. And
Correct.
then, so, actually, pa-joke lang siya initially na parang like, oh, I'll connect you guys, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos nun, super bilis ng pangyayari na parang biglang, oh, let's set a meeting next week. Tapos nun, actually, ang bilis din ng meeting na you all agreed na parang like, oh, sige, itong date na to, and then this time, and then ganyan-ganyan. And then, we're here, tapos na.
Di ba?
Yeah.
So, ayun. Thank you, Betch, for really keeping us in mind. Si Betch po is laging nagsa-studio use po sa QC.
Yes.
So, ayun. Tapos, doon po kami nagkakilala ni Betch.
Yeah.
Betch used to learn
Sa UPC.
sa UP Ceramic Studio, where I had my apprenticeship. So, where I came from. So, ayun. Paano nangyari paano napunta sa line-up ang Pauline's Cafe sa Olongapo, papunta sa, yung north ng Luzon. What happened was, nung pinag-aaralan po namin yung data, kasi every time that we put up a project or nagla-launch ng project, we gather data. So yung mga workshops po, off-site workshops na na-attendan ng iba sa mga viewers and listeners natin years back, those are considered data. Tapos tinitingnan po namin kasi kung feasible mangyari ito dun sa mga destinations na gagawin natin. Since we are very much aware na talagang yung ating ginagawa ngayon is to definitely raise awareness, pottery awareness, the kind of pottery that we are making. So, isa yon sa mga goals ng kabahagi. And aside from that is revisiting all of our past students, even clients that we work with, and as well, revisiting ano na yung nangyari sa kanila after learning from us. Kasi the workshop doesn't stop there.
I agree.
Right?
Yeah.
And we have to be intentional in providing this knowledge na after this, where are we going? Kasi I'm sure nagdaan ka dyan, no?
Yeah.
Nandun ka sa UP Ceramic Studio. Even me, where I'm going to, right after the workshop. So it should be sustainable yung ginagawa natin, which is, I believe na eventually, na magagawa natin to, magkakaroon tayo ng reach and demand for us to be comfortable na, di ba? Na parang, saan ako kukuha ng clay? Saan ako magpapafile?
Yeah.
Anong gagawin ko?
Yeah.
Di ba? Something like that. So, ayun. Ang dami ko chika. Pero hindi pa rin tapos.
Okay.
Ang dami kong chika. Wait. So, yun nga. Paano po napunta sa Olongapo?
Aha.
Nung tinitingnan nga po namin yung data, ang Olongapo po kasi dapat na destination, dapat mapupunta muna kami ng Boracay. Kaso, hindi po talaga siya feasible. If you could see, we are already making campaigns, fundraising campaigns na hindi talaga kakayanin po namin mag-travel inter-island or palabas ng island para lang magawa to. So, we need to be realistic with the goals that we set. So, naisip namin, yes, saktong-sakto yung message mo. Kasi we are looking for a destination na talagang madadaanan papataas kasi ang May talaga is for
LU.
La Union.
Yeah.
Oo, for LU. So, yun yung story nun. Kaya sabi ko, kasado na yung kila Betch kasi parang nag-present siya itself.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, ako, I do not believe in accidents. Alam mo yun, hindi ako naniniwala doon. Parang nag-present siya because it is time.
For a studio.
I
In
mean,
Olongapo.
so, ayun na po. Pag-uusapan po natin yun later on. So, ayun. So, na-chika ko naman na kung paano tayo nagkakakilala, di ba? So,
Yeah.
ayun. Ano pa ba? Ano natin? Basta na pagkakaalala ko lang, sa studio,
Bigla na lang akong sumulpot
Oo,
sa
bigla.
studio. Yeah.
Paano mo na-consider yung AMT Ceramics?
Kasi, so when you enroll sa UP for the workshops, meron kang specific number of hours ata per studio
Correct.
use, or kasi
Yeah.
parang discounted siya.
Uh-huh.
But at the time, I think nag-start na yung actual classes.
Mhm.
So puro parang reserved for students na yung studio.
Uh-huh.
So I was looking for a studio in QC. And then, so Google actually. Tapos lumabas nga na parang AMT as a community studio. Tapos
Wow,
parang I
thank you,
think
thank you.
I saw in the reviews or in some posts na very full service.
Wow,
siya.
salamat.
In the
salamat.
sense na,
Sobrang salamat.
yeah. So parang ayun, like I decided to give it a go and then masarap gumawa ng coffee din si.
Wow!
So, ayun. So, tapos like, I think we really clicked then. Kaya parang
Yeah.
masaya din bumalik-balik sa studio kasi kahit like 1/3 of my studio time is chika. Okay naman siya.
Ang mga potters po is mahilig chumika.
Yes.
Mga
Oo.
introverts kami, pero kapag nagsasama-sama, di ba?
Medyo,
hindi-
yeah.
Medyo non-stop yung chika. So, ayun, and I really appreciate that you brought your friends. Isa yun sa mga tumatak sa utak ko.
Yeah.
Na parang, Alfred, can I use the studio? And I have my friends na ngayon lang ulit kami magkita-kita and I want to lead
Yeah, actually.
the workshop.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, wow. Sabi ko, sige.
Tapang,
Oo.
yapang.
Diba? Kaya sabi ko, sige, i-block mo yung schedule for batch. Ilan kayo nun? Tatlo, diba?
Tatlo, yeah.
Tapos, I'm so happy. Ako, natutuwa ako pag may nakikita ako na gano'n na it is also a core memory for you.
Yeah. I think 5 hours kami
Oo,
there.
tagal yun doon. Tapos, ako natutuwa ako pag may nakikita ako magkakaibigan na minsan na magkita-kita and they're doing something creative.
Yeah.
You know? So, ayun, ganun po sa studio. So, you have, feel at home
Yeah.
kasi yun yung vibe na talagang we want to do. Na when we do creative things or output, I believe that we should gumalaw or gumagalaw tayo sa isang safe space na hindi nabablock yung flow of
Yeah.
flow of our creativity.
Yes.
Naniniwala ako doon. Malaking factor ang environment.
Yes.
So,
I agree.
ayun. So, ayun pa. So, since si Betch po is practicing pottery na rin for quite some time. Actually, matagal-tagal na yun,
I started pre-pandemic.
Oh,
Yeah,
pre-pandemic.
yung first hand building workshop ko was with Maui.
Oo.
Yeah, so...
Ayun. Hi, Maui.
Hi,
Yung
Maui.
Ili. Kausap ko lang si Maui. Bibisat tayo kita soon.
Yeah.
Sa Batangas po siya. So, kung gusto niyo rin pong maka-experience nung, other techniques of pottery, please visit Maui.
Yes.
Or Ililikhaan.
Ililikhaan
Sa,
at Instagram.
Yeah, sa
Siya yung
Instagram.
nagturo sa akin to listen to the clay.
Yes.
Yes, very very spiritual yung approach ni Maui.
Very
to
spiritual naman yung approach
pottery.
ni Maui. So, ayan. Aside from that, ano ba yung mga na-experience mo sa pottery?
So, hand building, and then I became friends with Ali, kami yun.
Yeah! Kapit-bahay ko po si Ali.
Yeah, lagi siya.
So,
Hindi nagtutugma ang schedule namin when I'm at the studio. So, I think nag-try ako ng wheel for the first time with her. And then, siya yung nag-suggest na meron sa UP na workshops.
Yeah.
I think every Mondays or every
Mondays
or Saturdays.
I used to teach kasi sa extension program. Hindi kita inabutan. Mondays
okay.
yun sa akin.
Oh, okay.
Yung yung weekday.
My first teacher was Marco.
Di ba?
And
Magagaling
then,
po itong mga
yeah.
pinag-uusapan namin. Mga kabatch ko po ito. Mga kabayan.
Tapos yun si Kuya Nel, yung second.
Yeah,
I
si
did
Nel.
too.
So, ayun. Since narinig yun na po yung experience ni Betch, how she learned pottery, papaano siya nag-navigate in this kind of, arts and craft. Meron pa kasing ibang ginagawa si Betch. So, later on po,
ADHD.
maybe would you like, maybe you could share about some of other crafts or creative output na ginagawa mo to our viewers and listeners on our third segment. So, we'll have a break muna ngayon. So, yep.
Okay.
And maybe you could share more about, that we need to look forward.
Here in Olongapo.
Yes!
Hindi ako tinitignan.
With Betch! Yeah! So, excited ako doon sa pag-share mo yan. So, anyway, but before we go, for our third segment, gusto ko lang po ulit, ipakilala yung Gachabucha. So, lagi po ito nasa reels ko. Gachabucha is one of our local brand partners. It's a kombucha. So, thanks, Maya. Tapos, we have po Zaddy. Zaddy is yung pampaputi po ng mga dark spots natin. Meron silang scrub tsaka lotion. You can apply it here. As of the moment, the branding is for males, but it's unisex. Tapos, we have po Milkware. Yeah, Milkies. So, ayun, we have Milkware po apparel. You'll get a 300 pesos a gift certificate and every pottery kits that you'll get from our pottery caravan on our next destination. So watch out for our next destination po sa LU sa Boho Surf Hostel. So it's a full setup of pottery. So we'll be having wheels in hand building. So that's gonna be 2 days, May 1 and May 2. So hang out with us, with AM team, and with our local brand partners. Ano pa ba yung nakalimutan ko? Jacob's Well Chai. Jacob's Well Chai, napakasarap po ng
Yes,
tea nila, di
yes,
ba?
yes.
Ang
Best
daming
chai.
inuwi ni Lenj. Charot. So, ayun, you'll get din po ang Jacob's Well Chai on your packet.
Yeah.
And I think they will join us sa LU natin.
Yeah.
You'll see some of the pop-ups po ng ating local brand partners. So for now, we'll have a break and then we'll talk about more of Betch Arts and Crafts. Wow! Okay, buhay mo na. Alright! Matatapos din tayo.
Yes.
So, ayun na nga po. Betch,
Yes.
again, thank you sa
Thank you
pagpapaunlak na pagpapaunlak talaga na makapag-usap tayo in front of camera na recorded. I mean, nagchichika na mga yung nasa studio, pero iba kasi to eh.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Na meron nang nakikinig or meron nang nanonood. And ayun, like we've talked about a while ago, we want to hear from Betch as well. Ano pa yung ibang ginagawa niya aside from pottery? And I'm very much sure, iisipin nyo, ano yung ibang buhay ni Betch aside from navigating the world of arts? Dun sa profession, sa career niya, paano niya rin binabalanse siguro kung paano, or anong ibang avenues yung pwede nating i-try to practice our, well-being.
Self.
Something ayun na yun. Hindi mapunta sa utak ko. Self-love. Ayun.
Self-love,
Self-love. So ayun. So again, we are on our third segment. Second season, 5th episode of our Putik Yan.
Tama na.
Yeah.
Correct
Ayun.
this time.
Okay. Energy. Kailangan natin yung energy. So, ayun na nga. So, Betch, alam ko kasi, active po ni Betch sa threads at naloloka ako sa mga pumupost siya doon. So,
Nothing
share mo
fabulous.
naman. Share mo naman. Yung iba mong pinagkakabalan aside from pottery, saan pa tayo kumukuha ng ibang hugot para mailabas din natin yung creative natin na flow, output.
Okay. Well, mahilig ako mag-try ng different things. Pero for the longest time, I've been journaling. So, natutuwa ako na parang I think junk journaling, sumisikat siya ulit ngayon. Kasi it means more access to people, tas more access din to different sorts of materials for me and for everyone else. So, ayun. So, I've been journaling ever since. I also like drawing, painting. Tapos recently, I learned to crochet. So, ayun. Meron akong ginagawang dress, crop top pa rin siya ngayon.
Oh, yun ba yung kanina lang?
Oo.
Wow. Okay.
Hanggang dito pa rin lang siya. Dapat siya.
So,
Mini
but,
dress.
sorry to cut you off.
Yeah.
I want to know, aside from, kasi, siguro i-educate natin sa kanila, ano yung klase ng journaling na ginagawa mo? Kasi ako, ang iisipin ko, nagsusulat ako, parang diary, something like that. So, ano yung klaseng journaling to? Ano yung siguro nakukuha mong satisfaction dito or release when you do these kinds of, creative outlet?
So, journaling started really as more of a diary. Kasi I have really bad memory. So,
Ay, pareho tayo
gusto
dyan.
kong pag sinusulat ko
Nagsusulat
siya,
din ako
yeah.
pag ganyan.
I like looking back or gusto ko rin na mas natatandaan ko siya when I write things down. Tapos, but eventually, nag-evolve siya into like, nilalagyan ko ng drawings, paintings, and
Cute,
junk
no?
journaling. Yeah,
Ang cute,
gusto ko
no?
yung very
Para
magulo
siya-
yung layout of the
Ah.
journal. Pero for me, like, very satisfying yung aesthetic nung ganun for me. So, ayun, like, so I also like making lists kasi. So, sa journal, meron yung mga things to do, ganun, that kind of thing. So, yun.
Alam mo, hindi ko alam na na medyo, yung memory mo. Ako naman,
Really bad.
Me too. Ang ginagawa ko naman, kung nakikita niyo po yung Instagram ko, lahat reels. Since yung way of, yung process ko po of learning at saka to remember or even not to remember is to put it in camera. So, ang ginagawa ko, how I see it, kaya po yung reels na nakikita niyo sa Instagram ko, even AMT Ceramics and yung AM Trejeco, that is how I see the world.
Yeah, very.
Even the music po that I use, that is my current being.
Yeah.
So, it's really personal. So, doon sa mga ibang nakakakilala sa akin as an artist or as Alfred, yun yung release ko na once ma-put ko na siya doon, nagkakaroon ako ng panibagong space na sa sarili ko to make a lot more creative ideas. Tapos, binabalikan ko na siya, nagiging memory ko na siya. Ito yung ginawa ko naman yung sasabihin.
yeah.
Di ba?
That's nice.
Iba-iba din tayo ng
iba-
So,
Pero
yung sa
mas
akin po
visual.
digital, yung sa kay
Yeah.
Betch, more of talagang hand.
Yeah, oo.
Diba? So, ayun. Aside from that, we want to know maybe, or can you please share to me, saan natin to na-access? So,
Okay.
ayun. Paano natin to na-access?
So, a lot of the things I do, if you notice, medyo solitary siya. Pero, like I was telling you earlier, recently I went to a Project Lemons journaling and tarot
Hi,
workshop.
Project Lemons. Pag pumupunta po ako sa inyo, laging close. Natataon wala si
Lagi
Micah
si-
doon.
oh, talaga?
Oo. So, tatlong
Oh, okay.
Pabisita na ako doon.
Dun sa
But,
pottery. May pottery
yes,
workshop na rin sila.
hopefully, makabisita po ako ulit. Sana nandun kayo para at least
Yeah.
maka-experience din ako yan.
So, ayun. So, when I attended the workshop, that workshop, doon ko na-realize na kahit parang solo activity siya, pwede kang mag-build ng community around it. Kasi, at first, hindi ko rin mag-gets na parang mag-journal kayo together.
Oo.
Pero, people were talking, tapos may mga nag-share ng art materials, stickers,
Ah,
gano'n.
diba?
So, ang saya niya.
Masaya siya.
Yeah.
Na possible po pala yun. Kasi, ito lagi ko rin nabanggit to dito sa recent na mga nakakausap ko ng mga friends ko. I had this training na something like that, na when you do a creative things or creative output, you don't need to be alone.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? And it feels good when you do this na hindi ka lang pala mag-isa. Alam mo yun, na meron pala rin akong katulad na ganito rin yung somewhat na-feel,
Yeah.
na gusto ko rin siyang i-put into siguro materials na nakahawakan na. Kasi ako naniniwala kasi ako na all the things that we think are just in our minds, ideas, or kahit gaano ka-crazy ideas yan, it's gonna stay there. And it won't be real until you put into action or put it with your hands. Right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yun yung maganda doon, yun yung magic na, no?
Yeah.
It reminds us to be humans. Di ba? Kaya nga yung art is made by humans.
Yeah.
So,
May sense of community.
yeah, sense
talaga.
of community na, yeah, you need to figure out, your own journey. But with that journey, you don't need to be alone.
Yeah. Actually,
Diba?
yeah.
So, ayun, dami naman natin mga, ang lalim na nito, nakakayok naman yun. So anyway, ano pa yung iba mong ginagawa na na-experience mo na maybe, they could explore to?
I like crocheting.
Mhm.
Tapos I think nag-grow na rin yung crocheting community. I see a lot of workshops.
Mm-mm.
I haven't really attended kasi, well, I haven't really tried. Pero marami ng workshops, marami ng materials that you can buy on Shopee. Shout out Ganchillo Guru for
Yeah!
for their yarns.
Diba?
Tapos, yeah, the Attic Yarn and Craftery in Marikina. I know they hold a lot of workshops then. Not just for crochet, but for a lot of different arts then.
Natutuwa na rin kasi ako kahit ako sa nagbabike ako, inaano ko lang yun, nire-reels ko lang yun, tapos tinatag ko yung mga local local brands
businesses,
and
yeah.
local businesses.
Uh-huh.
Alam mo yun, nakakatawa, nire-repost nila. So, yung mga artist din na katulad namin na medyo siguro not so comfortable to put ourselves out there, the purpose that we are, yung ibang purpose na ginagawa natin, na naiisip natin na purpose lang siya for us, nagkakaroon po siya ng panibagong purpose sa ibang tao. So, yun ang nakakatuwa dun, na I think this is one of the ways that we could be kind to everyone.
Yeah.
Para at least mas maging supportive and safe yung community that we are, ginagalawan natin. Right? So, ang dami ko na naman. So, anyway, ayun, follow niyo po si Betch. Ano yung Instagram mo?
Madami kong Instagram.
Madami siyang Instagram, but since sobrang dami niya, hindi ko na mabanggitin.
Hanapin niyo na lang.
Madami pong mga katulad namin ding
Yeah.
artists that we love to try and explore what are the things that we can do aside from maybe pottery, right?
Yeah.
So, madami pong avenue that you can release yung ginagawa
Stress.
natin. Yung stress.
Yeah.
Ay, ayun. How do you balance your time or how do you navigate yung pag-release ng ganitong yung creative ideas from your work, your profession?
So before medyo intense ako about work. Tapos as I grew older, I realized na I don't really want to be just my work. So medyo 8 to 5 na yung life ko ngayon. And as much as possible, I try not to think about work outside work
Yeah.
hours na talaga.
Right after,
Yeah,
no?
right
Parang
after.
disconnect ka
Yeah,
kaagad.
parang okay. Not replying to emails, not looking at messages na work-related, ganun. Tapos, I think crocheting and pottery, that's why I really like them. Parang sometimes nag-shut down yung brain ko when I do it. Parang very zen when you hit a certain rhythm when you're doing the
Yes,
craft.
the rhythm. Yung
The
parang
rhythm.
nagkakaroon ka ng sarili mong
Mundo. Yeah, oo.
Oh my
So,
God,
yun.
relate.
So yun. Yeah, I know galing ka rin sa corporate.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, tagal ko po sa corporate, about 12 years. And I'm so happy that I chose this path. I'm really glad I
Yeah.
chose this path. So, ayun, it may not work for all of us, but we hope that you could, find your light too. Di ba?
yeah.
Happy kasi yun eh. Lahat tayo light.
Yeah.
Di ba? Sa gulo ng mundo ngayon. So, ayun. Last question ko na siguro to.
Okay.
Nang matapos na to. Kabaliwala. So, ayun. So, Betch, what are we gonna look forward to your next adventure with these knowledge, skills, na na-hone mo rin at the same time?
So, this is my first time assisting, teaching.
Yes! Si Betch po ay aking assistant dito sa pottery
Yeah.
session, dito sa Police Cafe. I'm
So-
so happy.
So,
Sabi ko
ang
sa inyo,
saya
ano ka ba
niya.
dyan?
Yeah.
Happy
Saya
ba?
niya.
Happy?
Yeah, super fun.
Di ba?
Kasi parang feeling ko na parang like, oh, okay, I know how to troubleshoot. Kasi I like helping people. Kasi parang ang saya na people show you their pegs. Kasi parang like, oh, okay, medyo alam ko kung paano siya
To
ma-achieve.
figure it out how
Yeah.
we can achieve that.
Yeah, and if you can see the works ng students today, super galing.
Matutuwa
Yeah,
kayo. So,
super-
sobrang, hindi lang namin mapakita sa inyo dito kasi this is the biggest that I had for the Pottery Caravan. Thank you. I didn't expect anything talaga pagpunta dito sa Plains Cafe because we didn't get, or we got few sign-ups lang through the website. And pagdating dito, sabi ko, oh my God, this is one of the biggest workshops that we had for the Pottery Caravan. So, Yeah, thank you. Ibig sabihin nun, mayroong pinapatunguhan po yung ating, yung ginagawa.
People are interested. Parang,
So,
are willing to try new things.
So, ayun na nga.
Yeah.
So, ano na nga?
So, ayun, I really enjoyed assisting, teaching.
Yeah!
So,
narinig niyo po
Yeah.
yun. So, anong
So,
gagawin natin doon?
hindi ko alam. Feeling ko mag-workshop tayo in the future ulit.
Yes, I'm very much willing to do it again with you.
Yes.
And also I'm looking forward na magawa mo rin siya na kasi alam mo yun, matagal na rin kita nakikita and I know Betch can do it. Na makapag-create din ng sarili niyang workshop, maybe a pottery studio in Olongapo. So, tingnan natin, di ba? Magparinig na tayo.
Magparinig na tayo.
Yung mas malakas.
At Olonga Putik on
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yes. So, ayun po. Now, since medyo haba na po yung usapan namin ni Betch, we would like to thank everyone na nagsusupport dun sa Pottery Caravan. So, if you would like to extend your support din, we will have po a Pottery Caravan fundraising campaigns. Kung nakikita niyo po yung mga reels ko, I'm starting to create yung
Yeah.
cups, Pottery Caravan cups. Magsasend po ako ng update or magpo-post po ako ng update. And having a small piece coming from AMT Ceramics and kabahagi could help,
Yeah.
to reach yung mga destinations natin that really needs, awareness.
Exposure,
Awareness,
yeah.
together with our local brand
Yeah.
partners.
I
So,
agree.
ayun. So, I guess that's it for now. And I'm looking forward po to have another chit-chat with Betch and hopefully about Pottery Studio naman.
Studio.
Yeah. So, ayun. So, again, thank you for being, well, ako pala. I would like to thank you for hosting me here at Olongapo. And of course, Pauline's Cafe, to Zaza and Tata. And of course, the people na nag-attend for our workshop today. And most especially to you. And, Olongapo City. Wow! May
Wow,
ganun.
city.
City talaga. Wow. Pero yes, thank you. Thank you
you
for
din
having us.
for-
So, ayun muna. So, bye for now. Thank you for watching. Ay, wait! Pakilala ulit tayo. So, again, I have with me,
Bet.
and I am AM Trejeco, and thank you for watching Putik Yan. Tapos hindi pala na-record na.